How to draw an isometric bunk bed. First, setting your canvas, and then start to draw the top bed. Okay, I'm drawing the headboard now. And then estimate how tall the bunk bed is, and then sketch it. You can always minimize the whole size. Make sure you get the right ratio. Next, start to draw the bottom bed. Yes, minimize the size and move to the center. Okay, next, draw the bottom mattress. And then I'm drawing the top mattress. You can use just one layer, the whole structure, including the mattress. Okay, create a new layer. We are going to draw the ladder. Okay, you can draw just one side and then duplicate another side. Well, I want to adjust something a little bit, so I hit it. Okay, create a new layer. We are going to draw the step for the ladder, and you will draw just one and then duplicate it. After you duplicate it, move the new layer down. Alright. Okay. I just want to fill the white colors, so it will be easier to make the ladder. You can group all the layers of the ladder. Now I'm drawing the pillows. The top of the pillow first. And then you can duplicate and move the new layer or the second pillow down. Okay, it's done.